And it's a wonderful Sunday morning in August here in central New York. I joke with my car club guys about everything I do twice. For instance, I just put these Cragers wheels and tires on the red convertible. Do you see what I did wrong? I didn't put in the center caps. I thought the center caps went on afterwards. Well, here's the center cap. And you see, it's got a screw and a retainer, so the only way this is going in there is if I take the wheel off and put the center cap on. Everything I do twice. There you go. The finished product.